have some lunch. Yeah. Okay? How's that, Alexander?
Hi, Madeline. Hi, Madeline. Madeline. Where are you going, Madeline? Gonna sit in the chair? You gonna take a little swing?
Yes, Alexander, I'm right here, okay?
Oh, very good. You did that all by yourself.
And I'm not going anywhere.
Oh, almost. Good girl, Madeline. Good girl, Madeline.
Speak up, speak up, speak up, speak
Bye.
up.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Speak up.
Bye-bye.
Speak up, speak up,
Bye-bye.
speak up, speak up. How about a kiss? Hi. Have a kiss? Have a nice kiss? Oh, that's nice. Did you see this? Look at this. Little pineapple. Isn't that good?
And there's Mommy.
Want some pasta? Want some pasta with some ranch? I'll put this over here so you can have a little bit of that with me, okay?
Give me a kiss,
And
Madeline.
I'll have some pineapple.
Mm.
And I'll get some more pasta over here.
Mwah.
Okay?
Kiss. Mwah. Let me see your tongue, Madeline. Blah, blah, blah.
Oh,
Madeline.
she got a little bump on her chin here.